Hello, class. My name is Dwayna Rasmus Palmer. The technique I will be introducing to you all today is tension and trauma releasing exercises, or TRE for short. TRE was created by Dr. David Barcelli. These exercises combine components of yoga, meditation, and mindfulness. This technique relieves muscle pain, stress, and trauma through a psychological and physiological process called neurogenic tremoring. These exercises specifically focus on releasing tension in the psoas, a large muscle running from the femur to the pelvic. It is our body's natural response to seize up after experiencing emotional, uh, physical, and mental distress. Over time, if we continue to carry our trauma, our body will break down. Through the natural reflex mechanism of shocking or vibrating, we are able to release muscular tension, calm down the nervous system, and return to a state of balance. Normally, these exercises can be done safely at home if you are reducing mild tension or stress. However, I am not a certified TRE provider. I cannot assist if you are performing these exercises to cope with trauma related issues. I will be walking you through a modified version of these exercises. Let's begin. Exercise 1. Roll on the sides of your feet, stretch your ankles, going side to side 7 or 8 times. Once complete, stop and shake it off. Exercise 2. Heel lift. You are going to step back on your right foot, and the goal is to work your calf muscles. You are using your back foot for stability while placing the weight on your left foot. You're going to lift your heel off of the ground, and once you reach a level 7 of tension, you're going to shake it off and switch feet. Exercise 3, you are going to work your upper thighs, hips, and hamstrings. Like the second exercise, you're going to step back with your right foot, making sure to place the weight on your left leg again. You are going to bend down like you're sitting in a chair, and then you're going to stand up. Once you reach a level 7 of tension, you're going to shake your legs out and replace your right foot with your left foot, putting the weight on your right leg and using your left leg for support. Exercise 4, you're going to be stretching your inner thighs, hips, and back. You're going to spread your feet a little bit more than hip width apart. You're going to bend at the knees. You're going to reach towards the ground and take 3 breaths. You're going to walk your hands over to your right leg and take 3 breaths. You're going to walk your hands over to your left leg and take 3 breaths. You're going to walk your hands back towards the center and reach through them, taking 3 breaths. You're going to come up slowly and shake it off. Exercise 5. You're going to take your feet further than shoulder width apart. You can place your hands either on your hips or on your lower back. You're going to slightly bend at the knees, arching your back just a little bit, and you're going to take 3 breaths. You're going to look towards your left and take 3 breaths. You're going to look towards your right and take 3 breaths. You're going to come back center and take 3 breaths. You're going to come up and shake it off. Hopefully you enjoyed doing these TRE exercises with me. Thank you.